Aircon. Nice views. Yeah, after. Wow. I remember having a meal back here.
Really?
Yeah. Shit.
Don't step on that.
Oh, look.
Yeah. Get out there.
Yeah. Christ, yeah, I had a meal here once, man. Out the back here. Mind that floor, look. Look, it's all water coming in.
Yeah.
As Matt's always saying, they let the roof go and then it's ruined. Anything out there?
A few little rooms back there.
Toilets. I'd have used these once. Watch this floor, man. Wow, looks pretty gone up top, and the floor.
Yeah, we'll have a look.
That was. I remember you'd come in there, and I think the bar was here. I'm pretty sure. So they've taken everything out.
Yeah.
I think it was. I think the bar. I'm sure you came in that door, and the bar was here. So let's look upstairs. Mind the floors up here, man. A lot of it's missing. I think this was their living quarters. I don't remember there ever being a bar or anything up here. Yeah. Joists are obviously okay. That doesn't look too clever, that floor.
No.
Anything in there?
Can't see anything.
Ooh,
Yeah.
be careful. It's been totally gutted, isn't it?
Yep.
I reckon they're going to turn this into a dwelling.
What was it, a fire? Or is it just...
Doesn't look like a fire. But obviously the rain's coming in. But no, I think it just shut, didn't it? I think. Not sure.
Just time has taken it back.
Yeah, time taking it back, and you know, your usual vandals. You know what they like.
Yeah.
Little shits.
But it can't be a fire, can it? It's not...
Can't be a what?
It can't be a fire. It's not exactly burnt out, is it?
No.
Let's go out that window.
Yeah. Yeah, blow that. Well, we've seen. It's a shame nothing's left.
Yeah. It'd be nice to have seen it in its glory.
Yeah, seen the bar. Should have come in earlier.
So look out round the back. Mine the glass round.
Yeah, okay. So. No. Yeah, people, that's where people used to have their food in this bit.